What is cryptocurrency? Part -2. This race to solve the blockchain puzzle could require a lot of computer power and electricity. In fact, this means that miners, after considering the cost of electricity and computing resources, can rarely break even with the crypto obtained to legitimize transactions. Proof of stake. In order to reduce the amount of energy required to test transactions, some cryptocurrencies use a proof of stake verification method. With proof of speculation, each person can verify that transaction volume is limited to the amount of cryptocurrency they wish to stack or temporarily lock into communal security for the opportunity to participate in the process. It's almost like a bank deposit, Okoro said. Everyone participating in crypto is eligible to verify the transaction, but you will be selected to do so with the amount of money in front of you. Since proof of stake removes energy-intensive equation solutions, it allows for more efficient, faster verification/confirmation for transactions than proof of work, said Anton Altmann, CEO of OSM Finance. If the owner of a share, sometimes called a validator, is chosen to verify the transactions of a new group, they will be rewarded with cryptocurrency, possibly in the amount of the overall transaction fee from the transaction block. To discourage fraud, you will forfeit a portion of what you have tampered with, if you are selected and verify an illegal transaction. The role of consensus in crypto. Proof of partnership and proof of work both rely on consensus process for verification of transactions. This means that while each transaction uses individual users to verify, each verified transaction must be verified and approved by the majority of account holders. For example, a hacker cannot alter a blockchain ledger until they have successfully matched their fake version to obtain at least 51% of the ledger. The amount of resources needed to do this makes fraud impossible. How can you mine cryptocurrency? Mining is the way in which new units of cryptocurrency are introduced into the world, usually in exchange for legalizing transactions. While it is theoretically possible for the average person to mine cryptocurrencies, it is becoming increasingly difficult to prove a method like Bitcoin works. As the Bitcoin network grows, it becomes more complex, requiring more processing power, said Spencer Montgomery, founder of Vinta Crypto Consulting. The average consumer would be able to do it, but now it's too expensive. There are a lot of people who have adapted their equipment and technology to compete. And remember, proof of working cryptocurrencies require a lot of energy. It is estimated that 0.21% of all electricity in the world goes to Bitcoin farms. Switzerland uses about the same amount of energy in a year. It is estimated that most Bitcoin miners use 60% to 80% of their mining earnings to cover the cost of their electricity. Although it is impractical for the average person to earn crypto by digging into a proof-of-work system, proving the stack model requires less high-powered computing methods because the amount of partnerships is chosen at random. However, you must already have a cryptocurrency to participate. If you don't have crypto, you have nothing to stand on. How can you use cryptocurrency? You can use cryptocurrency to make purchases, but it is still not a payment method with mainstream acceptance. Bitcoin is accepted by a handful of online retailers such as Overstock.com, but it is far from ideal. Until crypto is widely accepted, you can deal with the current limitations by exchanging cryptocurrencies for gift cards. At eGifter, for example, you can use Bitcoin to buy gift cards for Dunkin' Donuts, Target, Apple, and select other retailers and restaurants. You may be able to load cryptocurrency onto the debit card for purchases. In the United States, you can sign up for a BitPay card, a debit card that converts crypto assets into dollars for purchases, but the card can be used to order money and withdraw money at ATMs, for example. There is a fee for use. Thank you.